Hi Rerum's family. Today, we're delving into a psychological phenomenon that's both perplexing and captivating: Stockholm Syndrome. Now, I know you've heard of it before, but have you ever wondered what makes someone develop a bond with their captors? It's a psychological puzzle that we're about to solve together. Picture this: you're taken hostage, facing an unimaginable threat, yet, against all odds, you find yourself sympathizing with those who hold you captive. How does this happen? Why does the mind sometimes choose empathy over resistance? Today, we're going beyond the headlines and into the intricate workings of the human psyche. So, if you're ready to unravel the enigma of Stockholm Syndrome, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's embark on this intellectual journey together. But before we dive into deep waters of psychology, let me share a quick fact that might surprise you. Did you know that the term Stockholm Syndrome originated from an actual event in 1973? We'll be exploring that case in detail, dissecting its psychological layers, and drawing connections to our understanding of the human mind. So, buckle up, because this isn't just another psychological exploration, it's a voyage into the uncharted territories of the mind. Stick around, and let's unlock the secrets of Stockholm Syndrome together. But first, let me ask you, have you ever wondered how your own mind might respond in a high-stress situation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be reading and responding to your insights throughout this video. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the psychological labyrinth of Stockholm Syndrome and uncover the profound mysteries that lie beneath the surface. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's plunge into the heart of Stockholm Syndrome by examining a real-life case. Our focus today is on the widely known and studied case of Patty Hearst. Patty Hearst, the granddaughter of media magnate William Randolph Hearst, found herself at the center of a high-profile kidnapping in 1974. Abducted by the Symbionese Liberation Army, a radical group with political motives, Patty underwent a transformation that baffled the nation and psychologists alike. Initially, Patty was a victim, but over time, something shifted. She not only seemed to adapt to her captor's ideology, but also participated in criminal activities with them, including bank robberies. This twist in her story raises fundamental questions about the human mind's capacity to cope with extreme situations. What happened in Patty Hearst's mind during those harrowing days? How did the psychological mechanisms of Stockholm Syndrome come into play? To understand this, we need to explore the factors that contributed to her transformation and the ways her captors manipulated her psyche. Patty's case is a microcosm of the intricate dance between captor and capted. It involves not only the primal instincts for survival, but also the powerful force of cognitive dissonance, where beliefs and actions misalign, triggering a psychological struggle within the individual. As we dissect Patty Hearst's case, keep an eye out for the subtle cues that hint at the development of Stockholm Syndrome. From a hostage to an accomplice, her story is a testament to the complexity of the human mind under extreme duress. Now, as we immerse ourselves in the details, I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments. What aspects of Patty Hearst's case intrigue you the most? Let's foster a dialogue as we unravel the layers of this psychological enigma together. As we delve deeper into the Patty Hearst case, it's crucial to analyze the psychological mechanisms that unfolded during her captivity. One of the key elements is the survival instinct, a primal force that can lead individuals to adapt to their circumstances in unexpected ways. Imagine being isolated, under constant threat, and grappling with the uncertainty of your future. In such conditions, the mind can undergo a transformation as it seeks ways to cope and survive. Patty Hearst's actions, from participating in criminal activities to adopting her captor's ideology, reflect the profound impact of this survival instinct. But survival instinct alone doesn't fully explain the complexities of Stockholm Syndrome. Another crucial factor is cognitive dissonance. This psychological phenomenon occurs when an individual holds conflicting beliefs or attitudes, leading to a state of discomfort and a subconscious drive to reconcile those inconsistencies. Patty Hearst, initially a victim, faced a mental tug-of-war between her previous identity and the new reality imposed by her captors. This internal conflict likely contributed to her gradual alignment with the beliefs and actions of the Symbionese Liberation Army, blurring the lines between hostage and accomplice. Now, let's discuss empathy, another critical component of Stockholm Syndrome. As Patty spent more time with her captors, a peculiar bond developed. and empathy emerged. This isn't a rational decision, but a psychological response showcasing the mind's remarkable ability to forge connections even in dire circumstances. The Patty Hearst case serves as a captivating lens through which we can examine these psychological mechanisms. It challenges us to question the limits of human adaptability and the intricate dance between the captive mind and the captor's influence. As we navigate the complexities of this case, I encourage you to share your insights in the comments. How do you interpret the role of survival instinct, cognitive dissonance, and empathy in Patty Hearst's transformation? Let's keep this conversation alive as we unravel the psychological mysteries together. We've journeyed through the gripping case of Patty Hearst, exploring the intricate web of psychological mechanisms that define Stockholm Syndrome. Now, it's time to draw conclusions, foster discussion, and extract valuable lessons from this captivating exploration. Patty Hearst's story is not just a historical anomaly, it's a window into the depths of the human psyche. The survival instinct, cognitive dissonance, and the emergence of empathy formed a dynamic interplay that reshaped her identity during captivity. So, what can we learn from this case study? Firstly, it emphasizes the profound impact of extreme circumstances on the human mind. When faced with life-threatening situations, individuals can undergo radical transformations in an attempt to adapt and survive. Secondly, Patty Hearst's case underscores the importance of understanding cognitive dissonance. The discomfort created by conflicting beliefs can lead individuals to adopt new perspectives, even if they contradict their original values. It's a reminder that the human mind is both resilient and susceptible to influence. Lastly, the emergence of empathy in the context of Stockholm Syndrome challenges our understanding of human connections. It demonstrates the potential for empathy to develop, even in situations that seem devoid of compassion. As we conclude this exploration, I want to hear from you. How has delving into the Patty Hearst case impacted your understanding of Stockholm Syndrome? Share your thoughts, questions, and additional insights in the comments below. Remember, the study of psychology is an ongoing conversation, and your perspective adds valuable layers to our understanding. If you found this exploration intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support fuels our curiosity-driven journey into the complexities of the human mind. Thank you for joining me on this thought-provoking exploration of Stockholm Syndrome. Stay curious, keep questioning, and I look forward to our next journey together. Until next time,